just came across at least 4, maybe 5 male lions, and from what I can see, I don't know if they're chasing another male. This might be the Nkuhlu Coalition.
Where's that? Oh, this is amazing. They definitely, when you see lions move like this, they're on a mission. They're definitely chasing after another lion. I still can't figure out exactly. I think these 4 that we've got are all from the same coalition, because if the one that's just ahead of these 2 were the ones that they are after, I think they would have already made quite a significant chase after him. So there's the 3rd one, and then there's another one behind us. Fascinating. Good, you know. Okay, let's try and get past them and get ahead of them. Any station on Sabi Sand side, Kingston. Francois here, I'm on KNP side. I've got the Nkuhlu Coalition crossing north over the Sabie River towards your side.
The man. Sorry, what? Vern, I'm standing by for you. There you go, sightings, go sightings. Going for a hippo walk, we'll be on channel 3 and we'll have a morning coffee at Kruger National Park in the next 20 minutes.